In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock and click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock over here. Following that, you need to tap on Face under Waist Unlock and hit Agree. Then enter your screen lock and tap on Next. Lastly, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!